Hi, I'm Blake with FicheBait, and welcome to this video where I'll show you how to download the trial software you'll need for your Laserfiche demo environment. This is the first and easiest step to getting your Laserfiche demo environment up and going to explore the amazing features of Laserfiche. I'll guide you through the whole process, so don't worry. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do when setting up your demo environment is to download a trial of Windows Server 2022. Microsoft has an evaluation website where you can download trials of different software. Let's take a look at Windows Server 2022. On the Windows Server 2022 page, you can read all about the different ways to try it. We're just going to download the ISO so we can load it with the VMware player. The trial download is good for 180 days. Now I know you're saying, but Blake, I don't want to have to reset up my demo environment every 180 days. Don't worry, there is a way that we can extend the number of days of the trial, and I'll show you how to do that in an upcoming video. For now, we'll click the option to download the ISO. On the following page, you'll just need to fill in the form on the right side of the screen and click Download Now to start your download. Now that you've downloaded Windows Server 2022, it's time to download SQL Server 2022. There are several options when choosing to download SQL Server 2022. A lot of people will choose to download SQL Express because it's free, but I prefer to download SQL Server Developer. As long as you don't use it for production environments, it's free to use and comes fully featured, whereas SQL Express is limited in the feature set that you get. When you click the Download Now button, it will download an executable file for you to run that will download and install SQL Server Developer all at the same time. With most demo systems, it's hard to find good data to use when giving your demos. Laserfiche can perform database lookups in various applications, so it'd be nice to have some realistic data to use during your demos. It just so happens that Microsoft has sample databases that are all pre-populated with information you can use in your demos. You can try and figure out how to download the sample databases from this website, or follow along in another one of my videos of how to implement them in SQL Server Management Studio.